HF Scientific has been designing and manufacturing robust, accurate, long-lasting turbidity instrumentation for over 30 years. Our turbidimeters offer low cost of ownership with typical lifespans of 7 to 10 years. This video features HF Scientific's latest turbidimeter, the MTOL+. While this instrument has a lot in common with the previous generation, it has been redesigned with a 32-bit ARM core processor to allow for enhanced features. Other new features include simultaneous 4 to 20 mA and Modbus outputs, data logging of readings, USB software updates, and USB data downloads. The MTOL+ is factory calibrated and programmed with default settings out of the box. MTOL+ process turbidimeters can be used at various points during the water treatment process. MTOL+ can accurately measure raw, clarified, filtered, and finished disinfected water. Both EPA 180.1 and ISO 7027 compliant models are available. This video should not replace the installation instructions. The instrument is mounted using 4 bolts or screws for the control unit and 2 for the electrical box. Plumbing connections are made using common 1/4 inch outside diameter tubing. All electrical connections are made inside the junction box. Refer to the manual for wiring details. AC power from 100 to 240 volt is standard for operation. 24 volt DC models are also available through special order. Outputs include fully isolated 4 to 20 mA Modbus RTU and 2 independent C form relays. A full calibration requires 3 standards: a 100 NTU, 10 NTU, and 0.02 NTU are needed. The MTOL+ offers quick calibration that requires approximately 25 milliliters of standard solution and 2 minutes to complete. If readings above 10 NTU are not required, the step for 100 NTU can be omitted. In this case, the last valid 100 NTU calibration value will be used for any reading above 10 NTU. To start, press the up or down arrow until Cal is displayed, then select Mode using the center button. The instrument will display 100. Insert the 100 NTU standard and press the center button. The instrument will count down 30 seconds and then will display 10. Next, remove the 100 NTU standard and insert the 10 NTU standard. Press the center button. The display will count down 60 seconds and then display 0.02. Remove the 10 NTU standard and insert the 0.02 NTU standard. The display will count down 30 seconds. The calibration process is now complete. The MTOL+ will automatically enter the auto mode for routine turbidity measurement. The MTOL+ only stores successful calibrations. If a calibration fails, the instrument will use the last valid calibration. HF Scientific manufactures EPA-approved ProCal turbidity standards specifically for the MTOL+. Traditional formats and standards can be used if desired.